Tonight,
Save the date, November 29.
let's set this party on
KOOL 97 FM is doing it 100% for charity.
All our DJs in one place for one event. DJ Marvin, DJ Dre, Stokey Love, Craig Ross, Michael Barnett, DJ Kiki, Richie Clark, Clyde Badu, Ivor Smith, Roberto Moore, and the veteran Michael Thompson.
Some of your favorite artists will be there for live shows throughout the day and night.
Jim Myers, Hugo Barrington, George Nooks, General Degree, Dean Fraser, Jermaine Blake Gospel Band, Leroy Sibley's, Pinchas, the Abyssinians, the Crew Band, and more.
We're raising funds to support KOOL 97 FM's Adopt a Community Christmas project.
Saturday, November 29 from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m. Bingo for prizes from 1 p.m. Your contribution of $3,000 is 100% for charity.
Or contribute $2,000 and bring an in-kind donation with you.
Rain or shine, we'll be at the PBCJ Studio National at 5 to 9 South Odeon Avenue. Fully secured entry and parking at the Old Time Skateland Car Park, 7 Constant Spring Road, Halfway Tree. Look out for the KOOL 97 signs and enter through the tunnel. All day food, all day drinks, all day music, all day bingo, all day health checks, all day live broadcast with Diane, Yashika, Noran, Lisa, Sabrina, and Ann. November 29.
This event is produced by KOOL 97 FM in association with PBCJ, Sparkles Productions, and Securipro Limited.